Musili Munene wa Makoani Undu Koome Niwalumiliilya Muvia wake Niwiyumbanitye Undu Vailite kwa Usili wa Makoani Wina Umilu na Withianu Kulani Nini Syukite Vamwe na Unyuvanini Munene wa Mwaka wa 2017 Koome ainena kavindani kala Muvia wa Usili wa Makoani watangasa muvango wake wakiuthukumi kuhonia maunyuvani wa mwaka wa 2015 nginya 2018 ni wavetanga huya wa Kana Muvia wake Wiyumbanitye vala wakulia ene nthi na ene yanda kivathukanio makwate kuoko Muvia uo kwikithia demokrasia ya ene nthi vindani ya kura ni Niwalumiliilya. Benjamin Mwaka ena mauvo.
Chumwa kimwe tinaanza maimbya ya kuungamia nyuvani ya ABC kwa vithwa na kuthaya tukwambisya uthukumi. Muvia wa Usili wa Makoani wanawenu walikaza vali ni keleloni kinene cha kwikithia Usili wa Makoani kukonya maunyuvani manini mokite. Vamwe na alama kaumela hitino ikungu kinene cha mwaka wa 2017 ni wethwa wa kuendesya kila mwene nthi. Kumundi Muvia wa Usili wa Makoani watangasa plani yo ya mwaka wa 2015 kufikia 2018. Chief Justice Koome weta Niwiyumbanitye kwa Usili wakati wina Withianu Withianu na wiyungamie Makoani ni ila maumela.
I want to affirm the judiciary's stand that we are ready and fully committed to adjudicate electoral disputes with fairness, with efficiency, with independence in mind, because we are only committed and faithful to our oath of office, and we will do this with integrity. Just as we have done in the last 3 electoral cycles in the post-2010 era, I want to urge all the stakeholders and indeed all Kenyans to join hands with the judiciary to safeguard our constitutional democracy and ensure that ours is a peaceful and democratic country.
Inge CJ Koome nwakulya vethwe na ngwatanio katika ene yanda onthe aiweta indi nzia imwe ya kwikithia iseso ya unyuvani ni yaende yathi na muguo na ithithwa ya kwikika.
As we launch our new plan for 2025 to 2029, I want to reaffirm, like other speakers have said, our unwavering commitment to strengthening the architecture of electoral justice in Kenya. The plan we have serves not only as a roadmap for our preparedness towards the 2027 general elections, but also as a blueprint for how judiciary will continue to defend the integrity of the electoral process, the independence of the judiciary, and to foster public confidence in judicial adjudication of electoral disputes.
Nzama ya kuungamia unyuvani chumwani kiwetu ni nawe TV na maunyuvani manini miongoni na eli halambete ele kutwaiwa. Inge ni nawe TV na mainini va maukulyo kuma ilione uyumbe ina makuvetanga yumbe mo kuislanzi ya ukolanyo wa saii na yuwasi wa Chief Justice Koome uke vindani unena nyamutia kukonye ungi wa kura uende kuvovwa nyatati mulengono wa broad-based ala chumwane kikivitie mana kunua musomo muvyone munene wa maminista Musili Mudavadi.
Wale wanasiasa hata wale wanaongea wakiwa kwa mrengo wetu wanasema ati kura ya Ruto itaibwa. Muwache kuzungumza upuzi. Ruto hataiba kura. Ruto atapigiwa kura halali ya kushinda. We don't want this kind of nonsense. That is cheap politics. Wewe kama ni wa Kenya Kwanza, if you believe in Ruto, don't talk about Ruto stealing votes. Talk about Ruto winning votes.
Vilingo mavo kuma Vamwe sinilovi nyenita wa Benjamin Mwaka.